Hi, I'm Kerry McIntyre with Inaba Denko America, and we're at AHR Expo 2025 in Orlando. Today I want to show you some of the solutions we have that can help you with your project. On this particular panel, we've got a wall sleeve. That's number one. Once you penetrate the wall sleeve when you're installing a mini split, you'll put your line set through there and you'll fill the gap up with our putty, our sealing putty. That's it. You'll put your drain line in there that follows the line set down the side, and right there is a drain. It's an inline drain trap, which has actually been code for mini splits since 2015. Then you go all the way down with the drain line that obviously we supply, and you'll find a bug stopper there on the bottom that keeps insects and things like that from migrating up through and stopping up your drain hose. Also, that is our Paircoil line set. I've got another place down there. I'll talk to you about it in just a second. This is our Paircoil. It's our very own line set. It's not the cheap white line set that you see online or that you get from your neighborhood store. This is UV stabilized, has 9 ASTM ratings, including the E84 ASTM flammability rating required for commercial applications. So this is ours. It's not like the cheap line sets that you've seen before. It's absolutely the best in the business. It's actually what I have on my own house on my VRF system. I've been in the trades many years, always looking for the right hanger. This right here is killer. This is the SuperLock. It actually just clips onto threaded rod that easy, and you can take it off and put it back on that easy. It has a clip right there. You'll pop it together, put your line set or any other type of piping. 44 pounds a piece. Up here you'll see a section of what looks like our line set, but there's a pad there. It's called a saddle. That way it helps protect the insulation. And on top, for your VRF applications, you got a wire clip where you can not only run your line set along those, you can run your communication wire. A back-to-back configuration above one another, and best of all, if you need to do any adjustments, you push one lever and you go up and down. By far the best hanger I've ever used personally in my 30 years in the trades. Trades guys all know what these are. These are standard in the industry. However, when you have a long riser with a lot of weight on it, those never really hold up well. Our LineBrace is actually designed to carry the load of a long line set, so you will still use these above and below it, but this is absolutely a non-brazed clamping mechanism that will hold hundreds of pounds and ensure that there's no shifting in your line set or dropping down at all. This by far is the best secure method that you'll ever find to secure a line set and to be able to hold the weight. All of our items can be used for VRF and ductless products. In a situation like where a line set's running inside of a wall and you really want a nice clean look where it comes out of the wall, because as all of us have seen, it's been really messy at times. We have LineGate available in white, brown, ivory. It actually covers that particular part of where the line set exits the wall. It comes out of there, and what you'll do when the copper exits the wall, you will also use the flexible elbow to cover the copper. That gives you protection on your line sets from the wall all the way to the unit. This is our Slimduct. It comes in white, brown, black, and ivory. The black looks really good with some of your modern designs and color schemes. If you like these accessories and everything else we've shown you, go to inabadenko-america.com, download our catalog, and always remember, quality equipment deserves quality accessories. Inaba Denko America.